Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are going to compare the festivals of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh.
Vishu is celebrated on the first day of Madam or the Malayalam month or between the months of April and May of the Georgian calendar. Vishu symbolizes the beginning of the spring season. Vishu, a Hindu festival, is celebrated Kerala as the harvest festival and the astrological new year of Malayalis. Vishu indicates the movement of the sun to arise or the Mesharashi and the Markaste day from which farmers begins the plowing of land and other agriculture activities. In Sanskrit, Vishu means equal, which implies the day with equal number hours of day and night or the equinox. The day of Mesha Sanskrit or Mesha Sankramam. Vishu is a family festival. It is a period dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is celebrated by worshipping Lord Vishnu and Lord.
Known as the Festival of Festivals, Thrissur Puram has a tradition of more than 200 years. This spectacular event was started by Shaktan Tamburan, the erstwhile ruler of Kochi. Held on the Moolam Astism in the Malayalam month of Madam. Festival-related events take place at the Padkunathan temple situated in the heart of Thrissur town and the adjoining Tekkunadu ground. The Puram festival mainly happens between two groups representing the geographic divisions of Paramekavu and Tiruvambadi. They will compete in the respective presentations of richly caparisoned elephants' traditional orchestra called Panchavati, the swift and rhythmic changing of brightly colored and sequined parasols called Kodamata, and the dazzling fireworks in the early mornings hours are the festival highlights.
Kullu Dasera is renowned international Mega Dasera festival in the month of October in Himachal Pradesh state in northern India, wherein more than 4 to 5 lakh people visit the fair from all across the globe. It is celebrated in the Dhalpur Maidan in Kullu Valley. Dasera at Kullu commences on the 10th day of rising moon, that is on Vijay Dashmi day itself, and continues for 7 days. Its history dates back to the 17th century when local king Jagat Singh installed an idol of Raghunath on his throne as a mark of penance. After this, God Raghunath was declared as the ruling deity of the valley. The state government has according the status of international festival to Kullu Dasera, which attracts the tourists in large numbers.
Good morning to everyone. Today, I am going to speak about a grand and famous festival which is celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. Just like how Onam is celebrated widely in Kerala, Halda is one of the famous festivals celebrated in Himachal Pradesh. One of the most awaited festivals in Lohal, the Halda festival with its exotic cocktails, mesmerizing dance performances, cheerful family gatherings and rich cultural celebrations offer you an unforgettable experience. Halda festival is celebrated in January every year. It is an occasion of joy and happiness when people come together from different parts of the state to celebrate the new year and wish for their prosperity. The Halda festival is dedicated to the Shishkar Appa, the goddess of wealth in the Lamayastic pantheon. The main attraction of the Halda festival is the magnificent bonfire, which is held at a site chosen by the Lamas. People gather at this chosen spot with lit cedar twigs and light a massive bonfire. During this festival, they light bonfire to gain prosperity. The stunning dance performances and merrymaking that follows adds to the visual charm of this festival. Apart from this, a special ceremony is performed and offerings are made to the local deities for the well-being and prosperity of the townsfolk.
Conclusion. India, being a multicultural, multi-ethnic, and multi-religious society, celebrates holidays and festivals of various religions. Popular religious festivals include the Hindu festivals of Navaratri, Janmashtami, Diwali, Mahashivaratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Durga Puja, Holi, Rath Yatra, Ugadi, Vasant Panchami, Raksha Bandhan, and Dashara. Several harvest festivals such as Makar Sankranti, Sohrai, Pusna, Hornbill, Chapcharkut, Pongal, Onam, and Raja Sankranti swinging festival are also fairly popular. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it.